Hello everyone! Hi! We are from Papermoon Puppet Theatre in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. This is Wehea. He is one of our main character from our performance which entitled A Bucket of Beetles. In that performance, we use lots of natural materials to make the stage, the sets, the house of Wehea, and also the puppets itself. We collect lots of branches and leaves from our garden to make the stage for the performance. Hey, is that easy to find branches and leaves in your garden or around your house? Because today we would love to show you how to make puppets and sets by using natural materials. Are you ready? So this is what you will need. First, you need to make the design of your puppets. Notes? Make a simple one. The second step, you need to arrange all the branches following to your design. And then, attach those branches by using the masking tapes. To make the puppets move, you can attach them together by using a tiny rope like this. And to make the head and also the clothes, you can use dry leaves. First, make the shape of the head. Make the holes for the eyes and also the mouth. And also you can cut the leaves as the clothes and then attach it with glue like this. There you are. Your puppet is ready. To make the house, you can use hot gun and also another branches. Be careful, it's hot, so maybe you will need help from the adults. After you finish, you can install them together and then you can play around by using flashlight. Look at the shadow and play with that. You can also add another leaves or branches to make the sets and just be creative with that. Yes! Just enjoy the play. You can do it also with your family. We hope you enjoy how to make puppets by using natural materials with Papermoon Puppet Theatre. So, hope to see you guys. Bye!